If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on intermediate level on coordinate geometry circles. So today we will see how to find the equation of a tangent to a circle on a point on it. Next you find the equation of a tangent to a circle at a point given on it. So what is given to me? The circle is given to me. So the equation is given to me and the point on the circle, the point P is given to you. You are asked to find the equation of the line PT. So again it is easy because this is 90 degrees. So this length you know, so you can find this length because these are perpendicular. So once you know this slope, so this slope you can find. So that you can use, or for this line you know slope, you know a point, you can line from point slope format, or you can suppose this is a point, arbitrary point T chosen, so this slope multiplied by this slope should be always -1. So you find using that condition. So this two slope is -1 product. You can take anything. So product of this slope should be -1 all time. So what is the formula for slope? This one, y minus y1 by x minus x1. What is the slope for this? x1 minus g, that is x1 plus g, y1 minus f, that is minus f also. So y1 plus f. So this product should be -1. If you simplify it, you will get it. You can open it. I am doing this is simple algebra. So if you open it, you keep all these x1 y1 and x square y square gx, that you keep that side. So you multiply, you add one gx1 both side. Here also one gx1 you add, here also one gx1 you add. So now you see this is x1 y1 and if you add g1 x1 gx1, so if you take g common, x plus x1, if you add fy1, so fy plus y1, so x1 y square, because you have added one gx1, so it will become 2g 2f, and c I have added both sides. Why? Because this will give you the original equation. Because the point is lying on this circle, so if you put the point on this one, so that means your power of the point, this is power of the point, which should be equal to 0, because it is lying on the circle, it should satisfy the equation. So this side is 0. So this represents the equation of tangent. Again this is written in the short form, because you can see x1 y1, this is ss1 in the format written. It is not simply product. ss1 means a short form instead of writing it in this long equation, so that you can remember it easily. So this symbol is created. So I will explain this symbol, or this is simply written as t is equal to 0 also, because it is the equation of the tangent. T represents the tangent. So this is actually nothing but, so it is your original equation. How you will remember this one? 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Suppose someone asks you, given you x1 y1 and they ask you to write ss1. How you will write ss1? ss1 means s will be there and s1 will be all. What is s1? This is s. What is s1? s1 is the power of the point. So if you want to include both these, so 2fy1 plus c. So if you include this one ss1, so you remember it in this way. X, you think it is this. Suppose it is square. So there are 2x. So 1x will come from s, 1x will come from s1. s1 means you will put the point, x is this. Similarly y, 2y's are there and they have to be product. Here you can see 2x are there, but it is sum. So 1x will be x, another x will be x1. Here it is 2y because it is sum. Here it was product, that's why product. Here it is sum, you can think. So 1y plus 1y from s1, then c. So in this way you can remember. That's why it is written as ss1. So ss1 represents this. So suppose you similarly this is written. Suppose your circle equation is this, not general. So how to make it ss1? So you will make it x1 plus y1 is equal to a square. So this will be the equation of the tangent of this circle at the point x1 y1. So easy. So you have to remember in this way ss1, then it will be easy for you, because ss1 has different other applications also, you will see in later stage. So you remember it in this way. Instead of remembering this long formula, you remember this one. You can apply for any circle, but you have to know how to write it. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.